In this episode of Code Unveiled, we will take a look at puzzle number 3 from Advent of Code 2023 called Gear Ratios. Before viewing this video, we encourage you to try solving the problem independently. Let's take a look at the problem description. The gist of it is that we are given an engine schematic with numbers and symbols in it. A part number is any number adjacent to a symbol other than a dot, which represents a blank. We must find the sum of all of the part numbers in the engine schematic. Let's take a look at the code which does that. We read the input character by character. If the character is a digit, we start keeping all the digits of that number and we check in all 8 directions if it is adjacent to a symbol. When doing that, we must check if we have valid coordinates. If the character is not a digit, we are done reading a number, so we check if it is indeed a part number or not, and if so, we add it to our sum of the part numbers. Also, we have to address an edge case, where the number ends with the line. In the second part, we are asked to find gear ratios, which are 2 numbers adjacent to the same star symbol. For the second part, we can recycle the code from the first part and tweak it in a few places. We introduce a map of gear ratio candidates. We use the star symbol position as a key, and the list of numbers adjacent to this symbol will be the value. The algorithm is pretty much the same. Instead of having a Boolean flag tracking if the number is adjacent to a symbol, we keep track of the star symbol positions. When we are done with the construction of a number, we add it to the map of gear ratio candidates. At the end, we calculate and print the sum of gear ratios. That's all I have for you today. If you have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. Thank you.